So in this video we will be discussing the problems related to the concept related to the problems of minimum time taken to cross the river. Okay, so our topic is like the minimum time. Okay, so let us draw a river. This is a river, and the width of the river is given like d. Okay, and a boatman is here. He wants to cross this river in the minimum time. Let us assume that he is rowing his boat, that is VBR, in a direction theta perpendicular to the flow of river, and river is flowing in this direction with a speed of VR. Okay, so in the previous video we have already studied that the formula for time taken to cross the river, okay, so that means that will be equal to d divided by v perpendicular. Here v perpendicular is the component of the velocity that is responsible for the boatman to cross the river. Okay, so here v perpendicular will be equal to VBR cos theta. Okay, so our time formula that we have already studied is t is equal to d by VBR cos theta. Okay, so now we have to interpret the situation. For that this boatman will take the minimum time to cross this river. That means for minimum time our time should be this formula. In this time t is equal to d by VBR cos theta. That should be minimum. Okay, and in this formula, like d by VBR cos theta, here this denominator should be maximum for the time to be minimum. Okay, so in this term VBR cos theta, this is maximum, means our cos theta is maximum. That means our cos theta is maximum, that cos theta maximum value is 1. So here theta will be equal to 0 degree. Okay, so minimum time taken to cross the river is, that is T minimum, that is equal to d by VBR. Okay, so this is the formula that we can use directly in the numericals. So this is that minimum time taken to cross the river. One more important concept that we should remember here, like this is our row, this is our river. Okay, and the width of this river is like d, and a boatman is there, here. Okay, so this is our boat. Okay, river is flowing in this direction with the speed like velocity VR. So according to our formula that we got cos theta is equal to 1, that means theta is equal to 0. So to cross this river in the minimum time, a boatman should row his boat always perpendicular to the flow of river. That means this should be the direction of velocity of boat with respect to river. This theta is 0 now, that's why. So here an important statement we can write, that is, I will write with the star mark, to cross the river in the minimum time a boatman should always row his boat should always row his boat perpendicular to the flow of river. Okay, flow of river, so that he will be reaching the other bank of the river in the minimum time. Okay.